For the left side lying trunk lift, this should seem obvious, but we are going to do this only on the left side unless otherwise noted. So laying on your left side. So you want to start off by laying on your side like you can see here with your knees bent and your elbow close to your hip. You're going to bring your right arm toward the ceiling and look at your right hand throughout this movement or technique. You're going to then lift your hips off the ground and rotate your zipper line sort of slightly towards the ground. You are then going to slide your right knee forward ahead of your left knee. And now from here, we're going to sync up the breathing. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take a breath out through your mouth, getting all of your air out as you reach your elbow into the ground and crunch your left abs. You'll pause after your exhale for 3 seconds. You're then going to quietly breathe in through your nose as you pull your right arm back slightly and rotate your chest to the right. You'll exhale again through your mouth, getting all of your air out as you reach your elbow into the ground and crunch further. You'll pause for another 3 seconds before quietly inhaling through your nose and pulling your right arm back further. So for all the steps, you want to make sure your right knee is forward. You're on your left side. You're looking at your right hand the whole time. And that every exhale involves a reach and a crunch to that left side. And every inhale is going to be pulling your right arm back and rotating your chest further to the right.